Imagine dealing with millions of trades, orders, and messages every single day, and almost all the alerts your system generates are false alarms. Now, imagine an AI system that instantly filters out that noise, so your compliance team sees only what truly matters. Sounds like magic? It's not. It's the future of trade surveillance.
Exactly. Today, we're breaking down how AI is revolutionizing compliance, reducing false positives, and transforming surveillance from a reactive burden into a proactive advantage. If you work in finance, compliance, or technology, you can't afford to miss this.
Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're diving deep into the real-world impact of AI and trade surveillance, what it can solve, what it can't, and how to implement it without risking regulatory trouble.
And quick note, if you want to explore the AI tools we mentioned today, I've added links in the description. Now, let's get straight into it. The problem: too many false positives.
False positives are one of the biggest headaches in compliance teams. These are alerts that look suspicious, but don't actually reflect manipulative or abusive activity.
Right, and the scary part is, compliance still has to treat every false positive as if it's real. That means hours wasted on harmless patterns, while real risks can quietly slip by.
And consider the volume. Millions of daily trades, orders, cancellations, messages. Traditional systems simply can't analyze the nuances in this data.
Especially because most legacy surveillance tools rely on static thresholds. For example, if a trader cancels X number of orders within Y minutes, flag it. But markets don't behave in fixed patterns, and traders definitely don't.
How AI quiets the noise.
This is where AI steps in, not to replace analysts, but to empower them. AI can dynamically score risks, detect behavioral patterns, and extract context from massive data sets.
So let's break that down. Machine learning models adapt continuously to market behavior. Generative AI reads unstructured data, like trader chats or emails. Contextual analyses considers volatility, time of day, and individual behaviors.
So instead of a one-size-fits-all threshold, the AI system builds a behavioral fingerprint for each trader. If someone deviates from their normal pattern, the system flags it.
And most importantly, it doesn't escalate everything. It prioritizes only the alerts that truly matter, giving compliance teams a cleaner inbox and faster triage capability. And this is absolutely crucial, because enforcement actions for surveillance failures have surged 800% year on year. Firms can no longer afford weak systems.
AI's limitations where human oversight is non-negotiable. Okay, but here's the truth. AI isn't perfect. If you let AI auto-close alerts without human review, you're in dangerous territory.
Exactly. Regulators like the FCA are very clear. Accountability sits with humans, not machines. If AI closes an alert incorrectly, the firm is on the hook.
There's also the black box problem. Some AI systems generate outputs without explaining why. Compliance teams don't trust decisions they can't trace.
Which is why explainable AI is becoming a regulatory expectation. Firms need the ability to trace how the AI reached each insight.
Modern LLM-powered tools even let you ask natural language questions like, has this trader triggered similar alerts before? This creates transparency instead of noise. How to use AI the right way.
Now let's talk practical implementation. First, AI should act as a supporting assistant, not the final decision maker.
Exactly. AI can prioritize, score, summarize, and contextualize, but humans must still escalate or close alerts. This is what regulators expect.
And second, data quality is everything. AI only works well when trade data and communications data are unified. Trade data tells you what happened, communications data tells you why it happened.
And third, most firms shouldn't build their own systems from scratch. It's expensive, time-consuming, and risky. A hybrid approach with specialist tech partners works best.
These partners bring industry-grade models, compliance-ready frameworks, and scalable architecture.
The impact: less noise, more action.
With well-implemented AI, compliance teams spend less time drowning in false positives and more time investigating real abuse.
AI can even uncover hidden connections and behavioral anomalies that humans might miss, cases that would have stayed under the radar.
And with regulators demanding clear explainability, AI tools aren't just useful, they're essential for modern surveillance.
So that's the future of trade surveillance. AI helping compliance teams stay sharp, focused, and proactive while still keeping humans in control.
If you found this episode valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment in the form of a question. What part of AI in compliance fascinates you most?
And remember, the link to relevant AI tools and resources is in the description. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.